vaimud peitu poevad.
French spice is the recipe, of course, is a secret.
Of course. Of course.
Yes, we are at the TV tower now, and we are about 175 meters above the ground, and you can actually walk around the TV tower H, so it's quite an experience.
So I think this is a very good way to start to get to know a place from up above, you know, because then you can have like all this great idea of how the city is organized and where lays each place.
Arenas or domes, as you can see here, have been built for song festivals, and the main song festival is held here. Yes, we are at Haapsalu. It's a bishop's castle.
This castle must have so much history about all these wars and dominations it's had. You took me here. It's a really beautiful place.
Yes, this is a typical bog in Estonia, and actually over 22% of Estonia is covered with bogs and swamps like this.
Welcome, Karina. We're gonna now enter the private area of the ex-quarry. The place is locked for the public at the moment,
okay.
But in the future it will be open for everybody.
So we just got here in Rumo and we are gonna climb up this limestone reminiscence. This is what it's still here after they mined a lot, and the workers had to. They were on purpose here in Rumo working in this limestone mine.
underwater actually fence. We have a bomb shelter there.
There, I was hot. Now it's cold. And this is the Estonian way of diving. I love diving. I was looking at all that and just imagining how it was the life of those people, those prisoners that lived under there when it was dry. So there was a lot in my mind, but it's really a unique place. I've never seen anything like this before.